Hey yo, what's up, rockers? Welcome to Populist Chats, hosted by Caillou Michelson and Sean Crackle. Do check it out every Monday at 6 p.m.
Except Shapuzi, it's your boy Caillou Michelson, the host that does the most, aka Daddy Yone, aka
Caillou Michelson, that's Mufasa.
And we're back with another episode, a new week, a new episode, a new guest. And I'm not alone as usual.
It's your boy Sean Crackle, the vlog of the vloggers. And thank you, my sir.
Today we have a YouTuber, a well-renowned social media personality. Her name is Usis
Andy.
Please welcome Usis Andy on the podcast.
Welcome, Cindy.
I'm good.
Are you good?
I think I am.
Yeah, man, I'm good too, and it's an honor to be now. We're like fine because I've only seen you like, on social media.
Okay. I still remember on Magaza's podcast, you said you don't know me, but it's okay.
Yeah, like, after the episode, that's when we were like, say, okay, I need to know Bang Bang.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I've seen you, you're very close with Magazas.
Yes,
and a lot of other social media personalities.
Yeah.
So I was like, okay, and then I got fond of you again, and then finally you are here.
Yeah, so you basically like did your homework, boy.
Basically, poison. Yeah, because I had to, because
Okay.
when Utazocha told me, he was like, say she's gonna come through. I'm like, oh, okay. And I can't wait for the whole episode spawn back. Because I only know. Hey, we'll just uncover it.
Fair
Like,
up,
okay,
yeah.
And based on who was like, I just want to know where and not you from social media. What's your real name? Where you from? Where you were born? You know the whole background.
Okay. Ingase ndithi Google me, but it's okay. I want. So, my name, your real name yam gu Andiswa. I also have a second name, which is Priscilla Nkwezane, but I didn't like the name.
Priscilla.
Priscilla, yes. I didn't like my
Imali
name.
nje lo gama.
No, it's
I
so
promise.
50s. So, I didn't like my name. So when I was in in grade 4, I decided to change my name, and then I was Indy.
And also, Priscilla.
Exactly.
Okay, grade 4.
No way.
So
Priscilla, yes, man.
Yeah. So I have 3 siblings. Actually, I have one sister from my dad's side, but we're not that close, and I have my 2 brothers, which I am very close with. From my mother's side, I am, yes.
Shout
And
out
then
last ones in the chat.
and then from my dad's side, I am not.
Okay.
And fortunate enough, from my mom's side, it's Kabotate one. And then, yeah. My mom and dad broke up in 1996. And I'm actually so happy that they broke up in
Why?
1996 because I was still young.
Okay.
So I didn't really feel a breakup yabo.
Okay.
And also
Ezinkulu.
as in the cooler, and also because they broke up in December, I never felt a gap yomnye wabo. I am loved. I am loved so much. They were present. They are still present
That's
even this
sweet.
far. I am loved so much Ekaya by my mom and by my dad.
Sure.
Yes. So Nakula and okay, I'm not gonna start from a high school. Let me just go straight to Ikesia.
We don't know high school. You want to know the high school?
Oh, you also wanna know that?
Yeah.
Okay. I went to Ekamvaletu. I did my grade 10 till grade 12.
Sure.
In Napasa, obviously. And then I went to SCPUT, and then I did sports management. And then I BTech in events management. I loved events so much. I thought in the space of, I still want to.
And what changed? What changed?
And yes, man, like back then I used to do modeling. I used to love modeling so much.
Okay.
So I would plan events, I would go out to big events, but as bandi cooler, I think uthando la drop, uthando for all that. So
you started the modeling in high school?
In high school.
Yes,
what
I started
grade?
modeling in high school. I think I was still in grade 8 when I started modeling. But obviously nansemncinci, but ndaya ndikhula. And funny enough, we space modeling, like I grew, like ndakhula, like I was known. But then
Have you been like
unfortunately
first place or like?
Yes, I was also modeling for a CPUT. I was doing like modeling.
Eish.
I was also doing a runways, but scare.
Potentially, if Zango Yeg, go miss South Africa.
Yes, of course.
But would you enter again like in another beauty pageant? Would you feel like?
Nah, I don't think so, Ngoku. I think uthando la phela man.
Sure.
I don't really love modeling anymore. I think it was just a
It's
matter
like
of
a
cool.
bad environment to be a
No,
model.
it's not. It's not. I enjoyed it so much, actually.
Okay.
I enjoyed it so much. But again, that's an amita, man.
You must be up on it. So you mentioned Ukolabako, your parents, both of them are Bisohlugane, and then both of them being a part of your life. So for Ebo Mnandi, because we divorced,
Yes.
both of my parents were married at some point
Yes.
in time, and then unlucky for me, I got to experience a breakup.
Oh, shit.
Yeah,
I'm so
but I
sorry.
got to experience
Bomdala, you're old.
Yeah, like I was probably in grade, I think around grade 5 or 6 when it
you're
happened.
old.
Yeah, but so I was really tapped in about kukuchinjo kwenzeka. So for when like, was there any change that happened that you experienced? Yeah, but from, let's say, for me it was when I moved to Cape Town. It was a thing of ba gokansasiwa esikolweni ngemoto.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
but I have to take a train.
And
I have
then
to
life
take a
wakho
taxi.
change. Yes.
Yeah, but so it completely changed for me. Yeah, but so how was it going for when like ending? How's the environment eskolweni?
Okay, I think let me just go back to something that I once mentioned with socials exam. So the only thing, it's only 1 year up I felt like ba umamam no tatam ngase babe ngakhange ba divorce.
Sure.
Because was it 2003? I think I think it was in 2003 I had to move to the Eastern Cape. So tatam waye wachata after
So
their breakup.
you were born here in Cape Town?
No, in East London.
Oh, okay, okay.
I was born in East London. Then my mom moved to Upper Cape Town. Obviously moved with me.
Okay.
And then just for 1 year, I moved back to the Eastern Cape. And my mom obviously had to find her feet Upper Cape Town. So she couldn't really take care of abantwana because sure. So she decided, okay, my dad actually decided, okay, just bring my kids. Just bring my kids to me, then I'll take care of them. But unfortunately, Tatam was working in the East London. And then we had a stepmother who was staying in the Eastern Cape full time. She was very abusive. During that time of my life, I felt like, how I wish my mom and my dad were together. Because me moving to the Eastern Cape, I thought, and this we feel it gap but I felt it like Lanyaka was the longest year of my life.
She was not a mother figure.
She was not. Okay, let me drink water. No, unfortunately, she passed away. But that was a hell of a year for me, and yeah, it was just that 1 year way too. Otherwise, with anything and everything else, with his call, my mom was pushing. She is a hard worker. She's still a hard worker. She was pushing, like we never lacked with too. Because it was me, Ohlala no my mom, and then my two brothers were staying with Utatam. So they made a decision, okay, let me take Indombi, and then when you raise the two boys, you raise the two boys. And then it was okay, their relationship was okay. Now 14, like I never felt a gap, anamam anhlano mama anhlano tata, because I can always call my dad. I remember tata mthanda ungezela nangoku. I think kwakudala ke ngoku kwakwezanto zeveza kwiveza amqolo. I once called him at Dilila, like uveza ezinto ezinje siveza ubheka, but ezakudala xa veza into zakuzibuyile obviously ngoku andamfonela ndikhala batata ndifuna iveza amqolo iitshomi zam zineveza amqolo, like umane ndigezela ngaloo nto. So it like ndikhule right man, ndikhule right shame.
And also speaking of is Vezamkolo and like joking about that, you like always post about joking about your body, like maybe body shaming yourself.
Yes.
Is there like a message that you're trying to like push out there by doing that?
By Uzi body shame, Actually, I'm not the one. Okay, are we still gonna get to that though? Do I answer that now, or do you think I should leave the question for later?
Like, you can answer it
like
now.
if you're comfortable with answering.
No,
like
with me, yazi for the longest time, okay, let me just speak about this one specific thing. I think like it's like in Nyayazi, you guys know about it. So like in Dukula, I've always known about I have a long neck, like in neck I'm in there. Like I've always known because they get to a kaya band for umakazi wam and vanana kakhulu.
Sure.
But yena ngoku as a cooler, she gained weight. And then as she gained the weight, indamo yakhe yehla. So if uyambona yena, awuyibona indamo yakhe. So like ndikhule ndiyazi uba ndinentamo ende, but never zange kwafika istage in my life apho ndake ndagezelwa khona ndithi ndiyabhulishwa, even in primary school, even in high school zange ndafika kweso
That
stage.
was just a matter of indama ka.
It's just
Nxa
like,
intamo.
it's just like
Irayithi indawo yakho.
exactly, like zange ndabhulishwa ngayo, but ngondimdala come social media ndiyaqala ubhulishwa ngayo. Like for me it's something new, like it's something I knew uba ndinayo and ndayamkela and I was okay with it. Ngoku xa sifike ku-social media it's something different, ba kuzothiwa ungunciniba, kuzothiwa uyigiraffe, kuzothiwa
But
like
the thing
all
is-
sorts of
Come on,
names.
boy.
They'll call you like Nyanya and all sorts of names because I can imagine you being on a like the platform of ngoku. Like a lot of people will have opinions about you and like how you look and what you say, young alone. And like it really gets to you as woman.
Yazi ke Khayu, to be honest ne, when it first started kwakubhlungu andifuna uxoka, like when it first started lento yonke lento like nandisiva kabhlungu, because yazi there's a saying ethi bana if you've done something to umntu ne, indlela yoba maba-reacte ngayo awuzoyicontrola. But mna ke ngoku I'm thinking for myself, all those people saying all those mean things to me ndibenze ntoni? Because it would make sense if they were retaliating back,
Sure.
but like mhlawumbe
If you were
ndimthukile,
problematic now.
even
Yeah,
problematic, like
yeah.
ukuba like uyazama to stay on your lane as much as you can, but still uzofumana i-backlash left, right and center. And
Regardless nobungathi.
nobungathini, like I try and ndibe ngulo mntu ndinguye, ndibe ngulo endinguye, and ndingastepi on anyone's feet, but ke I will still get the backlash.
And also, would you say like le backlash ifumana is it like from people that abazi peers are? Because I mean, social media is a wide platform
Yes.
where kukhoti nabancinci kukho abancinci nakunathi.
Okay, yeah.
So is it a matter of buzz like ZPS zakho that open as platform, or it's just a matter of abantwana just throwing banter at
Yazi
you?
mna, to be honest ngixelele, yazi Khayu, into that I've noticed ne kwi-social media, abo bantwana abancinci, okay let me not say abantwana abancinci, but ama-2K.
Ama-2K
Ama-2K awekho problematic at all, ama-2K.
Yeah.
Ama-2K ngabona abantu abarayight, like ngabona abantu enqondayo ba if kungathiwa mabaphume abantu mhlawumbi bakuveza i-ID kuskenwe ii-IDs zaba, ndingafuna kusheka ama-2K kwi-social media because abekho
bazi
problematic.
ama-2K.
Uyabona xa utrenda ne,
Yeah.
xa utrenda ugowe through kwi-profiles zaba bantu. Okay, let me not mention anyone's name, but like ugowe
Mention.
No,
through.
you mentioned.
No, like
Nadala,
ikhona.
Nadala.
No, it's
Yeah,
not
I
something
mentioned,
bad. It's not
man.
anything bad.
Yeah.
Ukhona nguyolisa ne, is it Yolisa?
Andibazi nabo.
I think it's Yolisa igama lakhe. She
Yazi
was
kazi
bullied just
ngama-2K.
back few days back ne, and then waya ki-profiles zaba bantu one by one waba screenshota. If you go there uzobabona uba ngabantu abadala aba ngabantu abangomama, abantu aba-old enough yoba babezintanga zomama bethu okanye babezintanga zethu. You'll never see ama-2K pha. If you-2K umzekelo has a problem with you, lizongqala straight.
Sure.
And if you-2K will never bully you. Okay, maybe ke akhona ama-2K yazibully, but it's rare bafumana i-2K libully.
But it's always like peers is
Ngaba badala,
Abadala.
ngaba badala nalapha kuthi manditsho.
Ababazi
Ngaba
ingredients
badala,
zethu.
yes, ngaba badala
Ngabona,
nalapha kuthi.
ngabona.
So ewe ngabona abazibhuli kakhulu shame.
Can I please ask you about your first year at CPUT? Like, how was it? Was it something different from high school?
For me, shame, I think kwaye kwanzima because ndachuza into, not that ndachuza, ndafumana into ndandingayithandi.
Which was a sports
It's sports management. Like,
Yeah.
like I knew nothing about the sports management. Like I didn't enjoy it at all.
So it was a matter of like, hey, funeke nje ungenile.
Ndifuna
nje.
ungena nje
Yeah.
ndiphume, but ndathi xa ndisendipha ndaqonda ke let me just do le 3 years, and then xa ndigqiba 3 years ke ngoku ndizoyenza i-BTech ke ngoku ye-events management, because eventually ndandiyazi uba ndizoya ki-events management.
Sure.
Because before COVID ne yayikhona imisebenzi kwi-events management, but ke COVID came and then everything changed.
I also wanted to do events
Alright.
management after Landuka. High school, yeah, I'm 2020. But then after COVID, they kind of like they sat me down. They were like, "Excel, yo,
Yeah.
yabo kunjani apha phandle?"
Exactly.
Valid,
Nam
dog.
if ndandiyaze, if ndandingekayenzi during i-COVID ndandingazuyenza.
Sure.
It's just that ndansendiphakathi ke and there was
And
no
like,
turning back.
So and then with that,
Busongeni.
did you finish ke ngoku Landuka yakho?
Yes, I
BTech
finished
yakho?
the sports management, and then I also finished the BTech events management.
So ngoku are you pursuing one of the two okanye?
I'm still looking. I'm
Yeah.
still looking for events management, actually, not for sports management.
In terms of your career yakho, ngoku, would you say you're on social media the most or YouTube?
Yes, social media the most ngoku.
And
Social media the
can you
most.
tell me about the environment as a beauty, like first day memories, and like if you made any friends?
Isigaxa wazenzayo, erez.
I shame
oh.
mna, I've always been
Yeah.
the most chilled person. Mna lo mntu nguye, I've always been lo mntu nangoku bendimncinci.
Serious?
I've always been like
Utata umthembu
ukuba
nje.
ezazinto kuthiwa ba I'm sorry, I'm not trying to offend anyone, guys.
Yeah.
Ngicela nixolele if this is gonna sound offensive. But ukubona laa nto kuthiwa ii-girls zimiselwa ziimoto phaa zimiselwa zii-4x4
Sure.
like mna zange yenzeka kum loo nto.
Ngoba
Like mna, I've always been umntana manditsho. I've always been
good.
umntana mna.
From high school, tertiary.
From high school, tertiary, I think nangoku I'm still yabona ngoku nditshatile ne, but there are things endizoyika uzincokola nomama ngonditshatileyo. I feel like zikhona izinto that I'm not supposed like
mean,
ndoyika
yenzeka
nothetha
le
naye
into.
nangezinto ezidibene nomjolo like nditshatile, she knows uba nditshatile. Even ngoku bendimitha umitha kwam ngonditshatileyo bendizoyika nomxelela because hayi man ndisemncinci ndingumntana.
Ima, also can you like take us back to like when you find out that you were pregnant? Like how was everything?
Okay.
back then?
Okay, I actually have. Okay, it's fine. So we actually planned for the baby. Obviously, get but not for everyone though. Not for everyone, but for Imna and my husband. We even before the charter, isn't almost in discussed before the
Yeah,
charter. We
yeah,
knew
yeah,
ba as soon as the charter, we have to bas benomdan. So yeah, we planned for the baby. We planned it for the longest time. Get food. I think we planned it for over 6 months. August 6.
That's a long time.
We're in there 6 months.
6 months.
Ima, no, I was like asking about the first pregnancy.
The first.
Oh, with Uibi.
with
Yeah,
Uimi.
Yeah.
With Uimi,
Yeah,
what
how was
happened
that?
with Uimi? Yo, that was back in 2018. I think with Uimi ndimane ndizilibale zakhe because I still dine excitement yalo umtsha
Umtsha
ngoku
ngoku,
ewe
umafika
like
izolo.
Uyezwa lo umtsha.
like excited ngalo umtsha.
Yeah.
With Uimi nayo Imi ke unfortunately or fortunately she was also planned.
Sure.
Phofu for him andizithanda surprise babies man. Imntana ingase
Also, it was not a matter of war.
No,
Like
no,
silapha
no.
or-
We both knew ba sifuna this is what we wanted. We wanted a child. We have when ndandimncinci phofu ndangekho mncinci. But
Bona ngaphi at the time?
Nah.
ingxaki people don't know my age ne.
Oh, so
And then
afuna
ngoku
babala.
and then ngoku I still have this question ezawuza kwi YouTube channel yam so ndoyika uba
Okay, Ima,
Okay,
were
yeah,
you late
never
20 or early 20 or mid 20?
No, I was early 20s.
Okay,
with
okay.
Uimi.
I mean, that's
I was
not
early
even
20s.
too early, Jenna.
That's too early.
It's not too early because we can answer in tertiary.
Because I mean, with the timing, it's a matter of by like let's say you have 2 kids and then you have about focus go.
Yes, I just
Simple
focus
as
on
that.
raising Ebona.
Yeah.
That's nice. That's nice.
So again, at the time with Uimi came through, uyabo wakhona. Then how was the relationship yakho naye notatakhe?
With Uimi and
Yeah.
her dad. So with Uimi and her dad, we had the most beautiful relationship, even during the dating stages.
Sure.
We like beku-right bekumnandi until ke life wenzeka. But even after life wenzekile, we were co-parenting nje kakuhle. Like we had like besine co-parenting smooth kakhulu.
Even
Kakhulu.
after the
Even after the
breakup and
breakup,
all.
like if i-break up yethu khange ndiye ndibe ngaba baby mama bazothi bafighter i-battle with umntana. But ke with him ndandingasoze ndikwazi because he was fully present. So nangasoze ndikwazi manje awuthi ba if undithi ukushota into ethile ndiyayazi uzoza late so into ndizofightela ntoni.
Sure.
Akho wayenganike reasons to fight.
Because also I remember there was a time when unfortunately when he passed away. Ne?
Yes.
And then that's when I think you went on social media and then you
Yes.
expressed how you feel. Yeah, bro.
Yeah.
But then now, what I saw at the time was a matter of abantu didn't see it ngohlobo bawibona ngalo
Yes.
wena.
Yeah, like-
Because for me it was why that was just crying out
Yes,
yoba
yes.
ulahlekelwe ngumuntu close
Yes,
kuye yabo.
yes.
And especially ke ngoku if i co-parent yomntana wakho oqala. And the first thing that you think of obviously ngumntana
Umntana,
before you ulanduke ucinge wena yabo. So take us through that time yabo, like how was it for wena?
Yeah.
Yeah, but dealing with the loss, also dealing with having to condition umntana wakho about tataka kasekho, and then also with the social media backlash.
Yeah. But okay, it's awesome.
Yeah.
So remember, Im is una 7.
Sure.
Ebena 7 that time because she was turning 8 this year. Ebena 7 this time, and lo muntu sithetha ngaye apha is someone that has been part of life wakhe for 7 years.
Yeah.
I gqithi 2 days without him without her seeing utatakhe.
Sure.
So now imagine life wakhe uzawushapeka kanjani. Like I feel like bana people didn't understand that time about Imi understands everything that's going on.
Yeah.
Yabo, I feel like abantu khange bayigete. I think abantu bafila ngathi ndikhalela mna. Sithetha nge-co-parent apha that was doing everything for umntana, like everything and anything. Like I never paid the school fees ka Imi mna. School fees ka Imi benqala usothuka kulo nyaka abafuneka ndisibhatele. I've never paid the transport yokutya, like ukutya ka Imi, like everything iza nge-plastic bags zayo. Isikolo tatakhe ubhatala isikolo directly unika imali transport. If undithi kunithi 80 rand esikolweni ka ake guys mna bendisicela ne-80 rand. If undithi kunika 80 rand esikolweni ka Imi ndiyayazi uzofika ebaleka azisimali ka Imi, like I never lacked. Yes, I never lacked, like zange ndakhe ndadinga nto. So now zoba ile parent ngoku izoba yothi yes my husband ukhona like he's also fully present ebomini bakhe. But also one thing people don't understand is that uImi umdala, we're not talking about lo mntana umncinci that doesn't know utatakhe.
Yeah.
uImi built a relationship notatakhe.
Sure.
She knows ba nge-weekend uya kutatakhe. Every weekend uya kutatakhe. If akayanga kutatakhe nge-weekend, utatakhe uzomake a point uba umfaka ki-video call ye-30 minutes but ncokole ki-video call.
Sure.
Now ezo zinto
There was a routine.
there was a routine uyayazi ba
For yonke
uzofonelwa
laa minyaka.
ngutatakhe. Uyayazi ba mama ndifuna kutatam ngexesha ethile. If ufuna into ethile anamali yayo uyayazi ba okay I can just call my dad utatam uzoyizisa.
Sure.
Like ngoku yonke laa nto ebomini bakhe, like ngoku umzekelo i-birthday yakhe is approaching, uzobthena i-8 years apha kuMarch. So uyabuza ke ngoku, so mama ke ngoku ndizophinde ndibe nazo i-birthday eziyi-2. Uba ne-birthday kum wenzelwa ndim i-birthday and then aphinde yokwenzela utatakhe ngiyi-birthday. So ngoku like uba nee-dates, beba nee-dates notatakhe bebethi yi-McDonald's date.
Sure.
So bebe nee-dates notatakhe every week utatakhe bayi-trick abantwana bakhe. He makes it a point uba uqokelela abantwana bakhe ngemoto abaseka McDonald's. So ngoku besanosweleka she would ask ba mama ke ngoku uzondisa wena ki-McDonald's date. So mna ngoku I need to keep up, I need to do ezaa zinto besenziwa ngutatakhe. Ukubona like nangoku like andisoze ndithe ndikwazi uzifila footsteps zikatatakhe. But like ifuneka ndizamile, funeka ndipushe and be there ngale ndlela utatakhe was doing kakhulu more than mna. So mna ngoku I have to fill in la gap ngoku.
Sure.
And kubhlungu because
imagine.
I remember ngoku besigodukile, like as I said ba uImi umdala, like asithethe ngomntana omncinci apha una 1 sithetha nge-7-year-old. Oko bemile ba she needs to go and visit igrave katatakhe, asiyazi ba for ntoni. Oko bemile everyone adibana naye ngoDecember ufuna uya ki-grave
At the age of 7.
At the age of 7 ufuna uya ki-grave. Like imagine go kumna umzali, she was very close to, like very close. uImi was close to her dad more than she was close to mna.
Sure.
She was very close with her dad, like ebemthanda kakhulu utatakhe. Now imagine kuzothiwa akekho, uzoxelelwa ngoba kuthiwa wena you need,
there's a huge shift
there's a huge ebomini buka-Imi, ebomini bam there's a huge shift.
So do you feel like even through the loss you've gotten closer with uImi ngoku ever since elandukile?
I think yes, I think I am, yazi ndokuxelele, because uImi ngoku, okay, I'm gonna say this again, as much as my husband is there, ukhona, like he's like and andizomfalter with anything umntana abantu, he's there fully ebomini ka-Imi. But also asithethe nge-2-year-old apho okanye nge-1-year-old, sithetha nge-7-year-old that knows ba ngubani utatam. Yabo, as much as ba ukho ekhona ifather figure endlini umntwana unombiza ngotata, but she knows ba ngubani utatakhe. Obviously zikhona ke izinto that my husband angazokwazi uzifila. Yabo, like umzekelo i-birthday eziyi-2 sihlala endlini eyi-1, obvious my husband akazokwazi umenzela i-birthday yesibili, sizokwenza i-birthday eyi-1, like zininzi izinto angazokwazi. Yes, zininzi izinto njengoba besike saya kwi-concert yakhe esikolweni sika-Imi, and utatakhe like never missed anything ebomini bakhe ebomini ka-Imi. Mna ke most of the time ndiyaphangela, mna bendiphangela most of the time. So utaka-Imi ke na kuba khona like kwi-weekends ebengumuntu ebakhona, ebesiya notatakhe qho, ebesiya notatakhe. So sathi siku-Uber wathi yo mama uba utatame bekhona bese ugqitha ngaye endlini yakhe siyomthatha aze naye kwi-concert. Uyabona uba like she knows ba my husband ukhona but also utatakhe uyamazi utatakhe ufuna be present utatakhe. So
can I ask like how did you meet your husband and like can you walk us through that story?
Oh, I met my husband.
One move.
Love stories now.
I met my husband through a friend. It was actually a hookup.
Yeah.
So I met my husband
Started
during esa stage nandiphuma break up with baby daddy. Then 2 months later I met my husband. Utaka Imi, yes.
2 months later.
Yeah.
So Polly, little
Yes, to be honest, like he break, especially long term because Utaka Imi and I dated for ixesha elide. We dated for like 5 years.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's like even that's the reason why go so hlukene notaka Imi singakhange sibe enemies. Yabo khala khange sibe nayo nalona ba we knew ba I knew a girlfriend yakhe. You knew my husband. Like I would communicate with the girlfriend yakhe.
Ima, can you like dive into detail about like why did you guys break up? I mean, if you wanna die.
No, I can share like I don't like none can I share on like social media. So he got baby mama wakhe woqala pregnant.
Oh.
So I wasn't gonna stay.
Still with you.
Still with me. Fully.
Utaka Imi.
And I wasn't gonna stay.
Sure.
No ways. So I had to leave. I was like,
Yeah, thank you.
I'll forever know my worth in the Sakai.
Lucky.
Nah, forever.
So how was Niyage? Like how did you meet your husband? Like
so
how was it for you? How did it happen?
How did you feel at the
How did
time?
you feel?
yazi ngixelele ndithi bana kuThixo bana I am so grateful ba I met my husband because somehow I feel ba as much as Bandi City I know my worth ne I also kind of feel like if ndangadibana naye mhlawumbe I was gonna go back
Utaka Imi.
ewe mhlawumbe ke if ndizogoa back kuzokwenzeka ntoni zingaphi izinto ezokwenzeka bangaphi abantu abazomithiswa ndikhona. So I met my husband. Oh, a gentleman. Oh, myeni wami, what a gentleman, what a kind man. I love him so much. So ndadibana naye and then he was just le nto ndiyifunayo. Why type yam man? Just a type yam.
Just like that.
He's still my type nagoku.
So how did you guys skip the hookup phase? Because Utemo, it was supposed to be a hookup and then you ended up marrying each other.
I think
Okay, you like just so
ithi nganenlango yo andikwazi ucula ke sana. Sakala sadlala sikhohlisana ngamagama uthando lwamila. So that was the case. Yongqokeleyo yabona la ngoma ithetha nami nomyeni wami. Yes, so ngumaqondana wami ke ngoku. So saqala sidlala because thina we didn't think basozoba serious because for him I met him enomntana ona 3 months.
Oh.
Okay.
Naye ke phofu xa esitsho ba bebohlukene no baby mama wakhe but bebengohlukananga ke unfortunately. And nam on the side I was going through a breakup
With the baby dad.
with the baby dad naye on his side
Baby
mama drama.
But also check isko being 1-1.
Ibingu-1-1. So bayithi
Isko being 1-1.
Ibingu-1-1 sanafuna ne-clutch. So ndiyasilapha ngoku.
Clutch.
Wow.
But silapha ngoku.
Injani i-class queen.
Ngigcwala ukufa.
Like I can imagine injani kuye
I'm not sure but I think I wanted to say ndililate ne when it comes with these things ne but let me just put it ngesixhosa bandiligwala mani ngayishuka code.
I know sisiyazile.
Mali ngayishuka code.
Sure.
So yenzeka iclutch ke and iclutch yenzeka ndiqala ukuya endlini first visit.
Wow.
First visit sendifumana iclutch. Ndiqala udaka imagine.
Ngomdala
Kaloku ngoko
akanotho ngoku. Akanotho ngoku. So I was young ndifuna ubethwa ke kuthiwa mandiphume erumini ndaqonda bani ndiyozibethisa ekhayelitsha ndiyozihlabisa ekhayelitsha asoze ndawuthula apha kule kamera ndibengathi andikho. Ndathi kumntu wakhe phuma amohoya.
Wayohoya naye.
Ndathi ayiphuma mohoya into yakho phandle sana andiphumi kwa wathi uzohlala apha imini yonke ke sana because andihambi ndabe ngqondo yaxoka uzawuhamba ngqo because andizophuma uzohlala apha ududiko
What?
zawuphuma ndiyemi into zibethisa
So wahlala ke ngoku.
hayi bo ndahlala mna but
Wahamba
xa
nini?
ndaphehamba ngoba hamba nobohamba after 2 hours
Nina qhubekeka ka.
Aqhubeka yabangathi nothing happened.
hayi bo umuntu wami mos
Asha.
umuntu wami kaloku
So and you know that happened after yonke lo beniyenza. You guys got engaged and it was viral. Like how was that for you? Because it was a big thing.
I think yazi ndaqala apho uba ngumuntu ongathi I don't want to say popular but umuntu owaziwayo
Yeah.
popular nomuntu owaziwayo it's the same thing just ngesixhosa ne-English
Exactly.
It's
Nama
motion.
not ba I'm famous. I'm popular.
You know when you.
So now at the time
okay let me okay
maningaz
maningazibethe because ningatrend mandithi bana ndaqala apho kwaziwa ngabantu abaninzi
Uqale apho ba emotion.
trend kakade so
Ithethe uqale apho ba emotion.
no like ndiqale I think the engagement ngeyona
has emotion into
into
the emotion shot
Emotion yilena nayo.
into leyo bethuna ndili 1k
Yazi-
mna
yazi
ndidala
or-
into emotion
or
Yazi
ora yes
ndoni or
ile yakho iora
okay, guys.
blood.
Okay.
but emotion it's like Tarantino is like kanjani
And, but like anything
Let
that
you
you
know, I
do,
got
people are
emotion.
watching cause like
Oh
On the
yes,
motion.
yes. But yazi guys, bad. I don't do nice leyo. Yazi noxelela to be honest. For him na, it's not something nice because mna ngoku andiyazi noma ndimlonelishwa kanye kwenza ngantoni. But yonke into endiyenzayo mna izosoloko wrong ebusweni babantu. Yonke like mna like ndizama by all means to avoid ba ndingatrendi. But ndizotrenda. Noba nenza like noba nenza ntoni mna.
bahoya.
I can post a
Bahlala
picture of my
bethetha
hand mna kuza umuntu oyi-1 osherayo ayisembi nale ring nditrend imini yonke
Ngenxa yabo banochuba.
like mna I
Blocker,
trend for
blocker.
everything like mna nditrenda after every 2 days.
Okay, what's I tell about your engagement?
Oh yes. So we got engaged in Nina 2026 we got engaged in 2023.
For 3 years.
Yes, it was a surprise. But before the engagement, obviously we had conversations about umchato, and I think he knew bandipi. Because obviously, if he knew ba andifuna uchata, wengasozenze lando. He knew ba if uyandicela ndizovuma, but I didn't know bana he was planning something okanye bana like lixesha loba afuna sichate ngalo eli. Like he was ready for uba sichate. But yeah, it
how was
was
that day for wena go
overwhelming.
ne
Yo like
Ungacingela
ezinto
ngatu-
ndiqhela uzibona eTV mos mna ngoku xa isenzeka kum it's like wow
and kuwe lo funeka uthe yes
ndim funeka ndim lo uguqeleyo apha. Oh my man loves me so much, my goodness.
Yeah.
Usane goosebumps
Nangoku.
nangoku yes. So it was so beautiful man, like yeah go viral ke but ke obviously yayinhle engazongago viral.
sure
Ndaqala napha no trender wethu izinto zomtrendo like how I wish man sometimes I feel by how I wish bengena following
sure
enkulu because when you live like bengaba bantu because yazi ndiyakwazi uposta something okanye uyakwazi uposta something wena ne ndithathe la post yakho mna ndishare kweyami into but abazukuhoya wena bazohoya
hey
ngoku sibhale the same thing sithetha the same thing but mna
I
bazu
always look at gohlobo loba it's really on yabo ngoku ku social media it's not really about it's what you say or it's not what you say it's how you say it it's a matter of ngoku ba ikuse ithethwa ngubani lonto
exactly
because yakwazi mhlambi
value.
as you said ithethwe ndim ingahoya kakhulu
Ingahoya,
because
but once ize
bazabantu because I've seen like nyana a lot of people tend to sometimes I would say bully you
they
but
do
now banikilo platform
they do
and must focus kubo because marriage yakho you had a beautiful baby. How was that? And I remember the process itade 6 months. So like take us through 6 months.
Now
How
you can
was
talk
it?
about it.
You're trying for a baby, guys. Love and light to everyone and anyone or try because it takes a lot from you. Yo, it takes a lot from you, like
Emotionally.
emotion.
physical.
Yes, especially emotionally, it takes a lot because ngoku kwalapha endlini ndapha ni blameana ngoku ba nguwe or wrong, nomnye nguwe or wrong. like kaloku ngoku why ingade yenzeke, why is it taking long, yabo. And ngoku with us unfortunately so I choose nabantwana sizothi ngubani wrong, uyabo.
So ikhona i-proof ba niyakwazi ubana
Ikhona i-proof so bayithusi yakwazi ubana abantwana but ngubani ke ngoku kuzawuthi ngubani ubalinga. I got to a point yoba that ba inoba asmatch because yenzeka loo nto ba nithandane.
But what do you feel like what was ilando ke reason yoba at the time ba kubekho not the complications but like what should be
Difficulties.
I think ne xa cause for the longest time bendikwi contraceptive
okay.
for the longest time so ndayeka. I think it was just a matter of bafuna ukuklineke and all
So
that.
it still had the effect in
Yes. So from November, it took like more than 9 months, God. Because I stopped in November. Because we knew siyaqalisa uplana ngoku.
Yima kwangalanya ke engagement okanye after sinchate.
No, after chatting.
So ni chate
Sichate ngo-2024.
Yo, college.
2024 and 2025, boom.
You guys didn't waste time.
I
man.
always time. Enkomo wasiphume ebuhlani.
Sichatile ngoku we had to. Yebo, ukuba nelana ngoku sowufana ufika uthukwa nasemzini ba awuthi uzale nakwi social media like I don't know like
bangenaphi kuye yonke loo nto like
exactly.
abangeni ndawo.
Abanazi boundaries, that's the thing.
Also ke ngoku with Tilanduka with your husband finding out that you are popular on social media, like how did he react to Lord?
Oh, shame umntu wami.
And also is he supportive of Ilanduka?
Whereas he's so reserved, shame. But I think uye wabona ba like into endiyithandayo, like into endiyenjoyayo. And go so ku Facebook ne ndaphuma back in 2023. Ndaphuma ku Facebook in 2023 and I was on TikTok full time. I was a TikToker full time. And that was even before ndibene channel yam on YouTube. Then punyiswa bullying, man. There was a lot of bullying eyenzekayo around him now. So I was like, okay, now let me just leave the app.
Toxic.
It was toxic for me. It was just Facebook, yes, and it became toxic for me. And then in the TikTok, and people from Facebook started following me on TikTok. But ku TikTok bekumandi shem, like kusemnandi nangoku. Phofu ngoku ikhona ibullying. Because people abawandibhulisha ku Facebook,
they went on
they
TikTok.
go on TikTok because most people mhlambe ufike ku Facebook ba akwazi ukhomenta kwinto zami. So xa ngakwazi ukhomenta kwinto zami uzofuna uyonithuka on TikTok, uzofuna uyonithuka on TikTok. But TikTok is on its own platform right and I'm enjoy.
Yeah, man.
But the community standards yonke
Yes.
lona kulula nje ulando.
Kulula kumandi ku TikTok.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Umjide ke ngoku how did he react ke ngoku finding out?
Yeah,
you
there was a
famous?
stage apho wathi bana mandiyeke.
Ulonto umjida. Time.
Itime le. Utata. Bizonyela wami ngomjida.
Balinika
Tata.
Hey tata, xola tata. So how did he react yo? Like did that kakhulu.
I think ngoku ne wahamba wayiqhela.
Sure.
Wayiqhela. I think he got used to it.
Kumdo reserved yena ne.
He is. Like ngoku yena he's not even on Facebook. Even kwa ungena kwakhe on Facebook, it was because he was dating me. Wayengekho that much into
So
Facebook.
why ene mission go Facebook?
No, but he was on Facebook after says dating. So yeah. But I think he got used to it ngoku because ukafika nasendlini anibasele bayo babana dibana nabantu bathi bayakwazi bathi babona mna so bathi mandibabulisele kuwe like right ngoku it shows.
Sure.
And especially now that ke ku Facebook we are making money, so obviously ke akazongayithandi ngoku because there's money.
Yangeni imali.
So
Yeah,
bahlebezela nenza malini?
Zaxela xa siphuma apha.
Okay.
Both YouTube and Facebook. Yeah.
Yes, but I make a lot.
Okay.
A lot.
I make quite a lot. Man ngathi a lot, but quite a lot.
Masenza abantwana, we trust me. Like I have no, I've seen all of this parenting content. It's good.
Oh, ne?
It's good. It's
Babela
good. Especially umtshato, xa umtshato kude, but
Awungxa umtshato uyatrendisa
Yeah,
sanufuna
umtshato.
uzotrenda kwa umtshatile wansithi
Still
be
too- it's
nomtshato
still too early for him. Would you advise balingene emtshatweni?
No.
Ah.
Live your life uqala. Umtshato is a trap.
Live your
Are you
life,
threat?
John.
But you happy nje wena.
Yes, I am, because I think ngoku sibadala so bayithi umzekelo ngoku to prove uba sibadala asisayenze laa nto uba like umyeni wam when I met him like ibingumuntu othanda uphuma yabo.
Okay.
Ngoku to show uba sibadala like ukusemtshatweni ngoku funeka sibe committed so bayithi he
Niphumele
buys
endlini.
alcohol ngoku kukhalisa umculo endlini kuhlalwe endlini kusele
Ubrayi xa kubrayi.
ubrayo bakuyabhraya like ayisekho laa nto uba yho ndiyepakini ndiyerenzi like he knows uba ngoku kule ndawo kuyo funeka abe nomfazi wakhe.
Oh.
Yabo.
Okay.
clock
With the parenting ke ngoku. I first also like I really want to know bang bani igama ka-Amy. Because we call her Amy. Do you feel like comfortable not disclosing that?
No, yes, no, it's fine. I
Okay.
can.
Bani igama like
So Imi has
Hello.
3 names actually.
So-
She has 3 names. She has Usibahle, given by brother Wam, which is her first name, and she has Uivile, given by her dad, which is her second name, and she has Uiminat, which is Uimi Gengu, given by my mom, which is the third name.
Do you need water?
Yes sir.
Oh, there you go.
I know.
Uiminat, yes.
So into yasendlini bami benamagama more than one.
Kaloku
Because Andisiwe
Uimi wa
Priscilla.
Priscilla, yes.
and
Awulibali
awuendi lelam lelethu lalapha phandle khange ndiliphiwe ndazipha ndazithiya yes so Imi has 3 names Sibahle Ivile Iminati so like wayengumzukulwana wokuqala like thing abanye babe excited no brother wami excited bawuzoba ngumalume for the first time.
Oh, okay.
so like everyone
that
is just
everyone wayefuna uthiya
sharing
iba
around.
kuyenzeka wenza amagama ayi-10 because everyone just wanted to give her igama
yazi lamgama ba
kuba
Sitho.
Sitho ndithetha uthini
Sitho sabafukile.
yho
Umsuthu.
ungumsuthu kanene khaya
Eh,
oh Sitho sabafukeng
yazi kaba
Hayi boy ingenaphi?
shona ngubani igama lakho wena
Mina.
mina ehle umina ehle nyani
Kuhlekwa la.
umina ehle nyani
Mina enhle.
kuthela uhleba boys.
Awutheni ihleka li.
umina ehle nxa ndiyaqala the reason why ndihleka ndiyaqala umina enhle oyiguy
Ongumjida.
ewe
Hayi.
oh
So
Happy.
all. So itulanuka ne with Amy there. Like did you decide for a reason but to grow your social media presence yakhe online? Okanye was it just a matter of you were just posting?
yazi ndikuxelele with Imi sometimes ndikhe ndizisole man ba how I wish that ndingamfakanga kwi-social media
Yeah.
but ngoku I also feel like noba ndingamkhupha it's already too late.
Sure.
Yabo seke exposed already ngoku
Yeah,
yabo
yeah,
because Imi wazalwa obviously ngo-2018 and ngo-2018 kwaku very chilled on
Yeah,
Facebook like
yeah,
there was
yeah.
no bullying ngale ndlela iyo ngoku because ngoku bazoyeka ubhulisha wena and then baze kumntu close to you like xa beqala bengena kuwe baza nenja yakho kwenu nekati yakho kwenu bazawungena
Yeah.
kuyo yabo so how I wish nandingam like I've gotten people abathi mhlambe xa nditrenda athi like I still remember one comment yathi ba uyadika etsho ngomntana ambona yedwa uba umhle
Yabo.
ndiqonda uba like okay maybe wena umboni but ungenaphi uImi because Imi is just a child akaziniksi like
Exactly.
ungenaphi like come for me and then leave like nomyeni uba uyatrenda kuzothiwa utsho ngomyeni and all those things like come for me like yabona mna I would understand ne if uzothi come for me ufake yonke into that's close to me ndibe ndikuqalile uyabo like aba bantu abanthukayo every day it's people I did nothing to akhange ndibenze like if ungambeka apho umuntu umbuze bana end ukwenze ntoni ayikho akho like asoziphume ba like ndimenze like
abakwanokwazi
mna I don't think
personally,
I've ever had an encounter with umntu on social media like ndizama ngendlela zokuyibaleka loo nto uba ndingalwi nabantu ndingaxabani nabantu but it always comes back.
There's a lot of disadvantages, yes. Because I remember when Umakazazi posted picture Kazazi le school,
Yes.
there was a lot of commotion around that.
Yes.
Even the school posting Ilanduka scholars of Ilanduka abanye abantwana besikolo.
Yes.
And then also I remember there was a time, but it was just a video that I came across eka Amy.
Yes.
But imiswe endleleni
Yes.
ngomyusisi.
Yes.
I think behamba yedwa at that time.
No bengahambi yedwa bekokwabo
Bekokwabo.
kulotata akhe and udabs wakhe was also around.
So how was that when you found out like bona nje
Yazi
bona
for
saying
me
video?
like I'll be honest ne like like ndifuna uba honest as much as I can ne.
Yeah.
Sometimes ezinye izinto ne xa zisenzeka wena uye ungayibona uba irongo lento until the next person axelele ba this is wrong. Yabo. And then ube ngona ke ngoku nawe uyibona like ube ngona nawe uzama uyijonga ba but no nyani unyanisile lo muntu because umuntu owabhala kakuhle ne like she was in rude like besides abantu ke ba because firstly okoqala ne like I'll be honest ndayishare la post and I remember I captioned it ba sekuvela umntanami ngoku ndafaka heart yabo like mina I did like
you never see
I can't ngibona into wrong yes until someone ngubani kanene if I think it was uNamxaxa ne she commented about uNamxaxa bana this doesn't sit well with me ne uImi mncinci and uhamba yedwa a stranger simbizele emotweni yabo
so ibona ipattern by
like sendiyibona like why zambu explain akakuhle ba why ingasithi well with her akasoko safe uthi mana next time kubani who knows bang bani ozombizela emotweni aye and then she even said bana maka imi try by all means uthi kuImi bana makangaye ebantwini angabaziyo if ubizwa ngumuntu angamaziyo makangaye because next thing ukuzobizwa ngumuntu ongutata aye emotweni because uxhela ukuya but ke ngela xesha udabs wakhe fortunate enough wayekhona ngokwayesiya kula moto but waye kwi background obvious wayengavelanga yena yes but wayekhona so ezinye izinto ziye zithi xa senzeka ungaziboni umzekelo there's this boy apha ki social media what's his name kanene I forgot his name but naye bekhe nazama ungathi niyatrenda ngento yakhe so this boy ne umntana ufunda he's still in high school I think ku grade 11 or something wa commenta this other time poste a picture ka Imi and said ba hi mami can I post le picture yabo ngumntana mosibona umntana omncinci na unxibe no uniform ku school uniform yes ndinqona okay omnye umuntu bengazucela nocela bezofesa thatha picture and then I post and then bengazibana control over that fine he posted the picture and imfollowish mos ne maybe yena uyanfollowish and ngoqonde following ininzi iposts zabantu abaninzi awuziboni yabo ubona nje iposts ezappearisha kuwe okanye umsearch umuntu yes so nyani ya appearance picture yakhe ngenye imini kwi timeline yami uposte yena waposta noImi wathi me versus my sister yabo which was okay ndayishare la picture I didn't see anything wrong ndayishare
sure
life waqhubeka andiboni mos mina ba uposta ntoni into zakhe uposta ntoni yes umntana esikolo he's innocent andiboni ba uposta ntoni into zakhe yes so this other day ke ngoku ndibona ipost eshoro ngumuntu uthe ba ufake uImi uthe Imi versus her ne wafaka omnye umntana ulingana noImi yes so lo muntu ushareile ba hayibo why sisenza comparison yabantwana ngoku yabo ndizongena ki wall yele boy ke mna ke yiboy ke because emncinci usemncinci kakhulu yes ndizongena ki wall yakhe xa ndifika ki wall yakhe hey kukho ipictures ezininzi zika Imi kukho ipictures ezininzi zikamaka Imi apha kule wall yakhe yabo ezinye uthe my mother ukho nezinye afake ifamily yami athi my family afake naye yabo like that's when I saw bana no man I think there's some sort of obsession up even like people were mentioning it bana kukho obsession up like kulomntana why as a post why engenazo ezinye izinto zoposta nina nodwa but mina also felt like ba lo mntana besides the obsession I think wenza imali
monetize
I think wenza imali if uzoposta mna post ifamily yami okanye post uImi like uyibonile from that first picture ba into edibene noImi menzela imali so he kept on a post uImi yabo
emotion ngale
ila emotion
so ndine emotion okay so waqhubekeke post uImi waqhubekeke post mna imane post ifamily yami so abantu bayikhola out ke ngokulonto ba no irongo lento first of all he's a boy and next thing ubane postana noImi into ezokwenzeka ngokuzawe mzamiyele esikolweni because nangu seqala sithi ngusister wakhe uzomiyele esikolweni ayomthatha so I called the boy out that bana he needs to stop but he didn't stop yek that decided okay let me just block him yabo for bangazobafumana pictures zam but still nangona imblockile usazifumana pictures zam
noba wenze fake account
so noba and no this is something I have no control over ukubona like andizokwazi uyicontrol because andineza la account I create leyo ba ithini andizokwazi no iblock yabo so
do like feel like you like created an unsafe environment for Imi by putting her online?
Yes, I did. Most definitely I did. Lena ndithi bana sometimes I regret ba ndingamvezanga like lo mncinci ngoku the only time you will know ba nguye is if uhamba nami okanye uhamba notatakhe but if uhamba nomnye umuntu uhamba ne stranger like awuzomazi ba nguye but uImi yena even if ndingamkhupha ki-social media
she's a spitting image of you.
Les noba
Fana
ngamkhupha ki-social media
no.
people already know uImi bayamazi noba bambona emall noba bambonaphi bacela ufota and all that so you know.
Yeah, but now that you are a mother of two, like, what has parenting taught you, like, so far?
So I remember kwi-baby shower yam nekhaya umakazi wam wathi bana now that uzoba nomntana wesibini, can you please show more love to Imi because she's gonna feel less loved. Because uzofila engathi she's gonna feel replaced. Yes, that's what she said. Uzofila engathi ureplace. So ngoku I try by all means ba uImi obviously mdala, like she can see uyazibona izinto. Ndiyazama ngoba ndimthathe ndimse on dates just yet like I'm trying ba ndenze i-co-parenting ngalendlela engase nandi kwakwenzeke ngayo kum yabo like ba kuthiwa mhlambe kwakunemali ekhaya simane sisiwa kwi-dates like ndikhule kakuhle kakhulu ne as I said babazali bam bebezama but ezo zinto zoba kuyiwe kwi-dates kuthini bezibiza izinto ezinqabileyo but ngoku I try by all means ba ndizenze ezo zinto nabantwana
even
bam.
so you took a date nozazi.
Yes, we
was a
do.
double date.
We do go on dates like izinto ezinjalo. Yeah.
Again, like he fits the hype.
Yes,
The hype
yes.
description is there.
Yes.
On both sides.
Yes. Yeah, fit how
Malum on
yes.
both sides.
I'm an uncle on both sides, dog.
Yes.
I like saw or heard that you like experienced a miscarriage.
Yes.
You
Yes.
wanna talk about that, like how it felt going through that?
Yes, I can. Yes, I think ready man uthetha ngayo but every time ndithetha ngayo I think it takes me back but yeah I can speak about it, it's okay. So it was back in 2017 and we had just found out actually bekungekho kudala si find out and besi excited ke so bayithu it was still with Utaka Imi. Yes, it was still with Utaka Imi. We were so excited that like but yena ke lona wasn't really planned. Lo qala yes wasn't really planned.
Be surprised.
Yeah, it was surprise. So like bese excited man but we were having a baby like ikuzoba mandi and all that. So it happened ke ngenye imini I was still res. So can I go onto detail?
Please.
Okay. Don't overshare.
No, it's perfect.
Don't overshare. So I was at Resgo with this other day ne.
Yeah.
Kusebusuku inoba it was around 12. Ndandiyenzile i-video about this but hopefully andiwalibala amaxesha but if ndiyawalibala abantu babeyibukele ngicela ninforgive. So it was bakusebusuku inoba it was around 11 okanye 12 as ba ndisiya e-bathroom. Xa ndifike e-bathroom ndizijonga something is happening apha kum. And ndahlala nechomi yam ke lucky enough sasihlala erumini eyi-1 nechomi yam izinto zaserest sasihlala erumini yam sirentisa ngerum yakhe like sasifuna imali because laa mali yasincedisa kwigrosari. Yeah, so sasihlala sobayi-2. So lucky enough she was there ngalamini ndaphuma etoilet ndiscreama because tell me what kwenzeka ntoni why kuzove and go like ndimne-cloths thick and I knew but something was going on but like nangafuna uyamkela ba this is happening.
Yeah, were you aware that you were pregnant?
Yes, I was aware. Yes, I was aware. We like besisonke benasekhaya bisayaziyo besisithethile nakokwabo besekeyithethile so and then sasukufitshane ndihlala St. Peter's is just
Apha Pick n Pay.
Ngapha Pick n Pay yes ndahlala pha kula res so ikufitshane ne Grotesque. So saya nyane Grotesque apha endleleni eGrotesque I was praying like I don't think I've prayed kangakaya ebomini bam and ewe ndiyathandaza ne but I don't think there will ever be a day endizawuze ndithandaze kangaka apha elifini yam like ndandithandaza bathixo ndiyakucela asoze undinike ndithi sendiqala uba excited uphinde umthathe. So we got to Grotesque ke ndakhawuleziselwa ke sham because it was an emergency. Ndakhawuleziselwa got to the doctor checked and he was like I can see there was a baby but there's no longer a baby. Ndalila kuvakala la Grotesque yonke. Ndathi bana ngicela uphinde uzame enye indlela and abantu bangomama ke bazoyazi abantu bangodada unfortunately abazoyazi bakuzanywa njani ngenye indlela. He checked again same thing ba.
Uyazi like.
No,
Uyazi,
it's
It's
fine.
fine.
zikhona izinto esingazaziyo. So ke nyani she checked and no, there was no baby. Ndathi mandicela funa i-second opinion. Ndicela bizwa omnye ugqirha naye azocheck. The doctor came, confirmed the same thing, that there was no baby. It felt like umhlaba wam ndiyatshona ubona umhlaba xa uvuleka ne and then utshone phakathi isanti imani ingena imani igalelwa itruck imani igalelwa like if ndandingumuntu we-depression mhlawumbe that time noba ngendani yes if ndandingumuntu we-depression yeah but
Okay, so can we go back to the content creation side?
no, I'm okay now. I have 2 kids at least.
Yeah,
I'm okay now.
Life came out great.
should do
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm coming for the 3rd one.
So
How many kids do you want to have? Like?
5.
Why 5?
I want to have 5. I want to have my own family. Kubalulekile like Christmas and you have those Christmas trees and you buying each other gifts and all that. I love that those cute stuff, man.
So
Dress
Nibana's
up,
Christmas
with
gifts?
family
The 25?
pictures.
No, like if they see family enkulu, ngoku see family encinci, it's just the 4 of
Okay,
us.
yes, cela nini adopt.
Okay.
Perfect height.
As
you
long
know.
as I take gifts, get Christmas.
You are.
I still remember, like, I don't know if it was a year or 2 years back, but you like had a feud with another female social media presence. Uzuki.
Oh, that's where the training started. Yes, that's where. Yes, and actually, Uzuki, I think she's the only person in Dakendabane. I think that's where it started.
What happened, guys?
Jesus. So what happened is, it was my brother's girlfriend's birthday, ne? So I posted this status like ukuba nilando when you are posting something like uzama ubalisa ba nisuka phi nomntu like
reminiscing on
when sometimes iba good, sometimes iba bad, iba niqale phi iba nisuka phi yabo. So with my case ke ngoku I relationship yethu unfortunately yaqala kakubi yabo. Now with
your boyfriend's girlfriend?
With my brother's girlfriend, yes. Yaqala kakubi relationship yethu like some misunderstanding about something. Yabo. And then we ended up singathethisani wethu yabo. So we ended up singathethisani. Probably not that singathethisani, but like I don't think besibonana, but we didn't have a relationship mna naye because sabane quarrel so bayi-2 that we both know yabo. And ubrother wami ke so ndiyabalisa phana, but I love that ubrother wami has a backbone because it was either mna okanye girlfriend yakhe. And unfortunately during that time I wasn't going to win the fight between fighting with girlfriend yakhe. Yes, obviously girlfriend yakhe is a winner. So I was just telling that story, but I love that une backbone, and also it was a birthday yakhe girlfriend. And then I also wished a happy birthday club post. That's where they took me ke ngoku ba I wasn't supposed to say that. Like babethukisa wethu yabazi abantu bak social media babethukisa. Yes. So I think Uzuki naye commented something, but I can't remember about what commented ntoni, but she commented something but andiyazi bayathini. And then that's why I screenshotted the post yakhe. But obviously that time ndangekabikho that popular. Nangathi popular like ndangekaziwa kangaka compared to Uzuki. Uzuki has always been known. She has always been popular. Yes. So she screenshotted la post and I posted kum and everyone came for me. Everyone came for me. That's when I decided, let me just leave this app because I can't.
And then you disappeared.
I disappeared.
And also, like, have you guys like spoken it out though after?
With Uzuki?
Yeah.
Do you think Uzuki still remembers that? I don't even think we are kumbula. Yes?
Yeah, I don't even think so.
I don't even think we are kumbula. But if she does, I'd honestly love us to speak about it. Because if umntu can quarrel naye beef naye, I wouldn't mind basi sort it out. But I don't even think she still remembers that.
And also it's just social media banter
just-
because I am the personal ba ngathi ba yo asinovana sinobusana.
Yes. It was just a stage way too.
Looking back kwiminyaka nibadala.
Sibadala ngoku. Yes,
And do
sibadala.
you want to leave a message for her if you have been dated?
Yes, nduxelele. I'm gonna talk about e-content creators as you two, ne? I'm so sorry if they are overshare. There's Uzuki, she's one of the content creators and I look her up to. I still do.
Yeah.
I still look up to Uzuki.
Okay, give us 5 of your content creators that you look up to.
Yo, ndizozicinga ngoku sa.
Number 1, Kayo Michelson.
Ndizozicinga ngoku na-content creators look up to zona. But one of content creators endizithandayo Mtaka Siyabulela, do you guys know him?
Okay.
Yeah, Olwethu.
Olwethu,
Yeah,
yes,
he's
Olwethu
my
Nxapayi. He's one of the content creators content nje clean. Content yakhe is just
Authentic, because I
yes. Yes, awunofumana nakubana, so he's one of them. But abanye kenza Grace Mondlana, obviously,
Grace, yeah.
Grace Mondlana, and nabanye wethu, and nabanye ke YouTubers, obviously. Nawe ke.
Okay, was that Ted about Uzuki you used to look up to?
Oh, I used to look up to Uzuki. I remember on TikTok, when I first joined TikTok, the first person I followed with TikTok, I followed Uzuki. No, I followed Uinkosi Amendebele on TikTok. I followed Olwethu Nxapayi. I followed Mandis. Umandisi Changana. Yes, I followed Umandisi. I followed Uzuki. Like there's a content creators oqala
So that's the best 5, boss.
like there's a content creators oqala ezo and as follow Ishayo. When I had a quarrel with Uzuki, like that one like disappointed because she's one of the people I liked so much. Yeah, but obviously umntu xa engayazi ba uyamthanda, they can say anything and whatever about you. Because abayazi bona abawufila njani about them, yes. But to wrap it up, I love Uzuki so much. I still do. I still watch videos like Nango. I still follow her on TikTok.
She's a ghost.
Yes, she is a ghost. She is.
From the best, Maseki West, who's your worst content creators? Ongasithandi.
Andinazo.
So
Trend.
That's why we
Like
do.
for me, I'm not mentioning anyone's name, but
bakhona kodwa.
yes bakhona, but umntu owenza content yakhe for uvisa abantu bakabuhlungu animfuni.
especially like if they're trying to monetize.
Yes,
uyambona
yes,
ubafuna
yes.
izimali.
Once uvise kabuhlungu umntu, just know ba i-content yakho andizoyithanda.
So social bullies.
Yes, i-bullies social media, like I feel like yazi noxelele ba i-bullies social media, I don't think they know ba abantu aba ne-following banazi feelings.
Yeah.
I used to watch them. I remember before ndibe ndaziwe, I used to watch indlela le i-celebrities zibhulishwa ngayo. Ndithi xa ndiziphethe lapha kum ngaphakathi bana I cannot.
You will never.
Ndiqonda ba I would never, because sana they bully them for no reason. Ndiqonda ba ndiphinde ndicinge ndithi bana mhlambe ke abaziboni ezi zinto ezithethwayo ngabo. But now that ndim lo wenzekelwa ile nto ngoku ndikwesi space, ndiqonda ba inoba bebefila njani bona, because it's really not nice. I don't think they know baba, and I don't think they know ba zonke ezi zinto bazithethayo ngathi we can see them. Siyazibona.
Sibhlungu as a celebrate.
Uzantrendisa
Mabele, to wrap it up, this is why I'm there. I want to ask you one question, and I think it's for everyone. When it's all said and done, what do you want to be remembered as?
The best mom. The best mom. I love
Motherhood.
I love motherhood so much. I cannot imagine myself not being a mom.
Sure.
I love my kids so much. They are literally everything. And I'm trying so much, I'm trying by all means to do life with them. Like, life I'll course stuck with Mona, but I want to do life with them.
You would say you literally at your best version of yourself.
Yes, I love motherhood so much.
Damn.
I enjoy being my
That's
mom.
very
beautiful.
profound.
I thank you guys for watching. Thank you for coming.
Thank you for coming.
Thank you for
Thank
sharing
you for
your
having
deeper
me.
side.
Thank you for sharing with us. And I'm sure about Wongumdu got a different perspective of what type of person you are, because
Definitely.
I think about it, they got you wrong. And
Yes.
I feel like from me to you, it's a matter of just keep on going. Yeah, bro. No matter what they say about you, just keep on carrying yourself. Being the best mom.
Because you are the best mom to your kids.
Thank you so much.
No, you
Yeah,
are.
man. So, there you have it, guys. From Kayo Michelson.
To Sean Crackle.
And this is Andy. You say goodbye. See you on the next one.
Make sure you subscribe, like, and share, because it helps. Bye.
Bye.
Best episode of the year. Episode of the year.
I tried, ne?